how to use OmniHuman AI video generator. If you want to use OmniHuman's AI video generator, it is quite very simple for you to do so. First of all, you want to go to OmniHuman website, which is omnihuman-1.com. I'll make sure to drop a link in the description box below as well. Once you're here, if you scroll down, you can see it says try AI video generator. So just go to try AI video generator. Then it will redirect you to another website, which is one of the products of OmniHuman, that is pikalabsai.org, which is P-I-K-A, pikalabsai.org. When you're here, by default you will be under text to video, but you can switch to Pika 2.1, which is the new model, Pika 1.5 or Pika effects. Now if you want to use text to video, you can simply give it a prompt. On the left hand side you can see this prompt. So let's say I want to generate a prompt or a video of a woman playing a guitar. So let me just go ahead and then type that in. You can try to be as specific as possible if you want. You can choose the base model from realistic, cartoon, 3D or anime style. Then you can choose the motion, then you can choose the interference. Then after you've done that, just hit the generate video option. It will take a couple of seconds for the video to be available. Right here it says waiting for GPU to become available, and once done it will take some of these steps right here, and once it has done processing that, you can see it will successfully generate me a video that I can use, and I can even download it. This way you can use the Omni Video or OmniHuman's video generator AI. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.